Hello everyone. Hi, this is Weltha. Okay, you guys. So right now I'm gonna I want to bake some chicken because I want to make some curry chicken with this sauce that I bought from Trader Joe's. So I'm gonna make this curry chicken, okay? And I'm gonna eat it with some rice. And these are the ingredients that I'm gonna put with it, okay? I'm gonna add this seasoning, the grill mate seasoning, because it has coriander in it. Okay, so I think that would be good with this chicken. All right, and then I'm gonna add some just some mixed herbs with it, and it has red pepper in it also, you guys. All right, and then I'm gonna use some onion powder and some adobo seasoning also. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna season the chicken with right now. Okay, so hold on, let me do my little spinner. Okay, so all right, so now let's season up the chicken. So first I'm gonna use this because I think this is gonna make it give it that Indian flavor that I want, because it has the coriander in it. Let's see. Okay, then I'm gonna do some herbs. There's some mixture of herbs in here. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, then I'm gonna get my onion powder. And I need a little black pepper also. So where is my black pepper? Okay, I'm gonna use a little black pepper. Okay, then adobo. Then we're gonna flip it over and do the same thing. Okay. Let me wash my hands. Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, all the same spices. I like a lot of the herbs on it. Okay, then we're gonna get the onion powder and some black pepper, and then my adobo. Okay, then I want to flip it back over. I want this side to cook first. Okay. And then this time, you guys, I'm gonna add the sauce to it right away. Just let it all cook together right now, because I don't want to have to keep going to the oven. And then I'm gonna add some water to this bottle. Same amount, okay? So a bottle, I put water with this. Okay, see? I added the water to it, okay? And I'm just gonna do this, you guys. And then I'm gonna bake this in the oven until it's done, okay? And I'm gonna put the oven on. Let's see, I'm gonna put my oven on 375. Okay, I'm gonna bake this in the oven on 375, you guys. And first I want to get some aluminum foil. So I'm gonna add some aluminum foil to this. it can cook all the way through. This helps it cook. So you can make sure that your chicken is cooked all the way. Add some aluminum foil to your pan. Make sure it's tightly sealed. All those flavors will get in the chicken. Okay. All right. So now it's ready to put in the oven. All right, you guys. It's ready to put in the oven, okay? All right. Okay, and then I'm just going to put it in the oven right now, you guys. Okay. Push it all the way back. And then we'll check it in about 40 minutes, okay? 45 minutes, okay? We're gonna check it in 45 minutes, okay, you guys? Okay, you guys, so the chicken has been cooking in the oven for about 30 minutes, and now I'm checking on it, okay? And the point that I need to make is that this chicken was frozen when I put it in, you guys. When I was seasoning up the chicken, it was frozen. I didn't have time to wait until it unthawed, so I just put it in frozen, okay? So it's gonna take a little longer, but it's unthawed now. So see, each piece is broken up into pieces. All right. So what I want to do now is add a little cornstarch to my curry sauce. So just 1 minute. That right there. And I have some cornstarch, you guys. Hold on, let me show you. Okay, so. Alright, so what I'm going to do, you guys, is I have this glass, okay? And I have some cornstarch. Okay? So first I'm going to get some water. Actually, I didn't need water. You know what? First I'm going to get some of the curry, because you know I added water to the curry sauce bottle after I put the whole curry bottle in here. So now I'm going to add some cornstarch to this sauce, okay, to make it thicker. So when the chicken cooks all the way, the sauce would be thicker, okay? So that's what I'm doing. All right, so that's enough. All right, so you see this, you guys? See? This is the curry sauce from the chicken, okay? So now I'm gonna add my cornstarch, okay? And let's see. So it's about 3. I wanted to see how many spoons it was. Okay, so it's about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, okay? Then what you're gonna do is just stir it all up. You know what? I got my little blender thingy. Just 1 minute. I have my little mixer thingy I'm gonna use because I want it to be stirred up good. So you guys, okay, so let me move my hand so you can see it. Okay, so I'm just gonna use my little gadget right here, okay? So make sure it's stirred up. Stir this all the way. Don't want to have any lumps. It's not gonna hurt it if you do have lumps, but I'll try not to. You see that? I'm just stirring it up. This is usually my little gadget that I use for my my drinks, but today I'm using it for this because I want that to be mixed very well. Okay, so it's mixed. Let me show you guys. Look. See that? Just want to make sure it's mixed really well. Bring it a little closer so you can see it. See? All right. All right, so it's done. So put that down. Then I'm just gonna pour it all over. And then when the chicken cooks, you guys, it's gonna have a thick sauce to it. The thick curry sauce, okay? And that's how you get your sauce thicker. Okay, so now we're gonna put this back in the oven and let it bake some more. So it's been cooking for about 30 minutes already. So let's give them about 20 more minutes. Or until it's done, okay? Because some of these pieces are pretty big. Alright, you guys? Alright, so now we're going to put it back in the oven and let this curry chicken bake some more, okay? And I'm going to put my aluminum foil back over it. Seal it really tight. And back in the oven, okay? And I'll see you when it's done, okay, you guys? All right. Okay, you guys, so I just checked on the chicken and I took the aluminum foil off of it, okay? And so now it's almost done, but I want it to cook for a few more minutes because some of the bigger pieces need to cook for a few more minutes, okay? So I'm gonna give it about 15 more minutes. Okay, I'm gonna let it cook for about 15 more minutes without the aluminum foil on it. Okay, and I pumped the stove up, the oven up. I put the stove up to 400 so it can cook for the last 15 minutes on 400, okay? All right, so let's do it. 15 more minutes. Okay, you guys, the curry chicken is ready. Voila. Curry chicken. My baked curry chicken thighs. Okay, go slow. All done. Okay, so it cooked for about 45 to 50 minutes because it was frozen. So I had to cook a little bit longer, you guys, okay? All right, I'm gonna close the oven. Hold on. We're gonna make a plate. Okay, so let me show you guys the sauce. See, the sauce got thicker. That's the way I want it, so that I can pour it on top of my rice. See? It's not too thick and it's not too thin. You see that? Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna make a plate so we can do our spinner, and I'll be right back, okay? Okay, I'll just let you guys see. Let me make the plate. Won't that look delicious? Delicious curry chicken. Ooh, that one almost slipped off. It's all done, you guys. Okay, couple more pieces. Okay, and now I'm gonna add the sauce, the curry sauce. Look at that. Ooh, come a little closer. Hold on, you guys. Let's get a little closer so you guys can see the curry. Okay, so let's add some sauce. That is the curry sauce, you guys. Nice and creamy curry sauce. Okay, I think that's enough, huh? Well, do one more. Maybe one more. Okay, this sauce is gonna be so good. Put some rice in this chicken. It's gonna be so good. All right, you guys, look at that. Curry chicken. Look at that. Delicious curry chicken. And there you have it. You have delicious curry chicken thighs. There you have it. Curry chicken thighs. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming by to check out my channel, and please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when I upload my next video. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.